Look, YouTube is massive. Millions of videos, billions of views. It's easy to get lost in the numbers game, to think that more views equal more money. But let me tell you, that's a trap. Are you chasing vanity metrics, or are you building a real business? Here's the truth. YouTube is a tool, a powerful one, no doubt. But it's up to you to wield it, to leverage it to your advantage. Don't let the platform use you. You use the platform. Too many creators are chasing algorithms, chasing trends. They're not building anything sustainable. They're at the mercy of a system they don't control. You need to flip the script, become the captain of your own ship. Build a brand, not just a channel. And that starts with understanding the real value you bring to the table. Let's get one thing straight. Views and likes are not currency. They might stroke your ego, but they won't pay the bills. The real money comes from leveraging your expertise, from building trust and providing real value. Think about it. People pay for solutions. They pay for knowledge. They pay for entertainment. What are you offering? What unique skills, insights, or talents can you share with the world? Don't be afraid to niche down, to get specific. The riches are in the niches, my friends. Find your tribe, the people who resonate with your message, your style, your expertise, and become the go-to source for that niche. I know what you're thinking. Shawn, how can I charge for anything if I'm giving away free content? Listen, free content is not your enemy. It's your greatest ally. It's your way to build trust, to showcase your expertise, to attract your tribe. Think of your free content as a gateway drug. It's the appetizer that gets people hooked, that leaves them wanting more. But here's the key. Your free content needs to be good, like really good. It needs to provide real value, to solve problems, to entertain. Don't be afraid to give away the good stuff, to over-deliver. Because when you consistently provide value for free, people will be lining up to pay for even more. Section 4. From passion to profit, turning skills into cash. I've seen it time and time again. People turning their passion into profitable businesses. Take my friend, for example. He loved woodworking. He spent hours in his garage crafting beautiful furniture. He started a YouTube channel, sharing his knowledge, his process, his love for the craft. He didn't start with 1 million subscribers. He started with a handful of people who, like him, were passionate about woodworking. He built a community, he answered questions, he offered advice, and slowly but surely, his channel grew. And then he monetized. He created online courses, teaching his skills. He launched a line of woodworking plans. He started offering one-on-one consultations. He turned his passion into a thriving business, all thanks to YouTube. Section 5, your tribe, your terms. You can't be everything to everyone, and you shouldn't try to be. The key to success on YouTube is to define your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests? What are their pain points? Once you understand your audience, you can tailor your content to their specific needs. You can speak their language. You can address their challenges. You can become their trusted advisor, their go-to source for information and entertainment. Remember, you're not just creating videos. You're building a community, a tribe of like-minded individuals who share your passions, your values, your vision. And when you have a tribe, you have leverage. You have the power to dictate your terms, to build a business on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, create amazing content, build your tribe, and crush it. Pause 3, Section 6, the power of growth. You've built your tribe, defined your terms, and now it's time to harness the true power of growth. Growth isn't just about numbers, it's about impact. It's about transforming lives, including your own. When you focus on genuine value and authentic connections, your reach will organically extend beyond what you ever imagined. Imagine the ripple effect. Every piece of content you create, every piece of advice you share, every story you tell has the potential to change someone's life. And as you grow, so does your influence, your opportunities, and your ability to make a difference. So if you like the content of this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more free content like this to help you grow your online business. Your support fuels this journey, and together we can create a thriving community where everyone succeeds. Remember, growth is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing, keep creating, and keep inspiring. The power to grow is in your hand.